What up, boys and ladies, and all that shit? Today's video, I'm gonna be, saying some stuff that you need to be knowing with OpenIV, and it's gonna be a quick video. Might be 4 minutes or anything, but I don't know. Okay, so if you are on, like, if you want to have I don't know, if you want to have this mode, then it's gonna says what you need to do, and what you need to do is that you're gonna be following the instructions. And what it says here, it's not saying a lot, it's saying OpenIV. If you want to do it though, you can do this. And oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, I think it is this one. Yep. Then you're just gonna fix and require absolutely all that you want to do, and that's what you want to do, and that's honestly what's the point with it. So you can honestly get this mode with just drawing on the way. That's what's gonna be insane that you can do and all that shit. And what's the point of it is that if you're doing it and all that, then you could, get it realistic with the LSPDFR. So what you needing to do now is it's saying select update.rpf, and it's none that's saying obviously that. You can just check about it. I think it is someplace here, someplace, I don't know. I'm gonna check it soon here. Is it something that it's called? Like, you know, is it? There we go. I found it. Okay, so now you're gonna be handling over to the common. There we go. Now you're gonna go to the data. Here's something that you're gonna be required in that situation that it's gonna be doing anything what you want. You know what I mean? And then you're gonna just drawing off that scene again if you're having already something that you want to set into the OpenIV like this one. Then you can just do this, obviously. There we go. But you see this marker who says you can draw it in. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. How do I do this? So first ones is what you needing to do in the first place is that you needing to go to the tools and AC manager, and you want to do like this. You want to install absolutely all of this AC loader, OpenIV, open camera, ICA, loader, I think it is called. Then you're gonna do this and absolutely all this. Do not play GJ online with modified RPF. You will be banned. You need to install AC loader and open will not load modified RPF archive. So that's honestly what you need to do. But you can also, when you're done with that and install absolutely all that stuff, it's not gonna take that long time. Then you're gonna go to this and just do this. You can copy to the mods folder if you want, but I have it already. But I'm gonna do it again just to show you guys what I mean with this. So what you need to do now is that you're gonna be dragging it in. You see now when you go on going here, you see it's not, no, it's red because you have done it already, and then it's saying you need to set on the the edit mode again. Then you can do this. So please do this, sir, before you're doing anything else, and that's what you want to do. So you're gonna be doing this. It's saying this too, while in editing mode you can change absolutely all and that you want to do. So handling.meta, that's what you want to have on this side. So just drag and drop. So like this. There you go, boy. You got it. There you go. Just close it again, but I don't gonna do it. Might be if I don't want to have the IP things again, then it's not that clearly side of it. If you don't want to have it or anything like that, You can just do a lot stuff more if you want to. That's not only that shit you can do. If you don't want to do anything like that, you can do a lot stuff more. But if you're playing LSPD FR, who's the best game ever, then you can do this and LSPD FR the home side. Who's gonna be the homie for you? Then you can just do a letter you needing to bin LSPDF 0 dot 4 is what you needing to install before. And then you're gonna just see here, oh my goodness, I want to have this one. Then you can do this too, but you needing to do this before. So I'm just gonna download this now, and you can see. Then now it's gonna download. It's gonna be taking a while if you're having a, I don't know. But there we go. You're gonna just doing this, and there we go. You're just doing this. What you wanting to do, if you want to do anything like this, you can just do this and open a Wii with this or anything like this. It's a lot that you can do. I gotta be telling you that. But it's not Christmas, so why did I do this? I don't know, because you can do a lot shit amount. Again, if you want to, go ahead and install a new car, what I wanting to do, so I just gonna phone my really car, and I think this is gonna be the car for today. So I just gonna download this in the installation. I don't know what you wanting to be called it, if you want to be calling it anything else. Dallas, please. That's a cool apartment thing. So just do this. It's a cool boys that doing this. Okay, I'm just kidding. But anyway, you can do this at all if you want. But what you're wanting to do now, you don't need to do this. You can drag and drop mode. That's what you don't need to do. You can do it in the RPF update things if you don't want to do it though. But you can go to the mods. Then you go, guys, if you don't understanding what I'm saying or anything, if you don't understanding the left or anything like that, just see on the, just see on the screen. Then you're gonna just, I'm gonna explain it there too. Okay, so then you're gonna go to update, x64 DLC pack, patch day, DLC. Fuck, I think I got this wrong. Nope. Levels, GG5, Wickles. There we go. Now we can do whatever you want to do. Los Santos. This is a cool department thing you can use if you want to. It's a lot that you can do. But I decided to think that that's a wrong side of it because I don't liking that one. And then that's great, sir. That's great. You can do whatever you want to do, but I want to require this to your mind that you, sir, you need to, don't mess up with this. If you're messing up with this, your whole game is gonna be messed up at all. So yeah, see you very soon. If you're seeing things like 5M ready, that's gonna be to the 5M, just to know. ELS, it's now things that you needing to do. I can just, view you a little bit of stuff that you can do, that you cannot. And it's a lot that you cannot, but it's a lot that you can do. It's more than you think. Now you needing to just see on this in accept. So I'm not gonna talk anymore because I want to, make this sure to not corrupt.